Chapter 3, Creating and Editing Charts. In addition to building formulas and functions in a worksheet, you can use Excel to graph and chart data. After selecting values and labels, you can quickly create a professional-looking chart with a few clicks of the mouse. This chapter will introduce you to the basics of creating, editing, and formatting charts in Excel. An Excel chart is a visual representation of numeric data. A chart helps you identify trends, make comparisons, and recognize patterns. Charts are dynamic and linked to data, so when the worksheet data changes, the chart is automatically updated. A chart object is a distinct item surrounded by a square border that is separate from the worksheet data. It contains chart elements such as title, data labels, and grid lines. You can resize and reposition a chart object in a worksheet, and you can resize and reposition each chart element within the chart. When you selected the source data to be used in the chart, the Quick Analysis button will appear in the lower right corner of the selection, and it lists commands you would likely be using, such as formatting, charts, or totals. When you select the Charts option, Excel will show you some recommended chart types. Excel has different types of charts, and most types have multiple subtypes or variations. Excel can recommend the best chart type based on your selected data. It is essential, however, that you select appropriate data for the chart because it is possible to build charts that illustrate no meaningful data. The most popular chart types are the column, bar, pie, and line charts. When you select a chart object, it becomes active and surrounded by 8 selection handles. A selection handle is a small circle shape on each corner and in the middle of each side. Use the selection handles to resize a chart. To move a chart to a different location, point at the chart background to see a 4-pointed move pointer and drag the chart to a new location. When the chart is active, the Chart Tools Design and Format tabs are available on the ribbon, and 3 quick chart tools are available at the top right corner of the object. These are Chart Elements, Chart Styles, and Chart Filters. A chart sheet is an Excel chart that is displayed on its own worksheet. Chart sheets only include the chart. There will be no columns or rows visible. The chart will be linked to data on another worksheet, and it will update automatically if that source data changes. A newly created chart has a default layout, color, and style. Excel has various tools to help you enhance the appearance of your chart for originality, readability, and visual appeal. The Chart Tools Design tab includes commands for selecting a chart layout, choosing a chart style, or changing the color scheme. A chart can be printed on the page with the worksheet data, or it can be printed separately. To print, select the worksheet with the chart object or the chart sheet, and then select Print from the File tab, Backstage View. This brings us to the end of this video.